Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. So, today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Gaza's economy collapsed in 2024, says a report from UNCTAD. Now, according to new UNCTAD, UN Conference on Trade and Development report, Gaza's economy has almost completely collapsed in 2024 due to the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict and continued blockade. Now, key findings of the report are that the shrinking by 83% in 2024, the economy was shrinking by 83% in 2024 and pushing every one of its 2.3 million residents into poverty, according to new assessment by the Trade and Development Agency. Now, let's understand that Gaza's GDP fell just $362 million in 2024, with cumulative losses according to 2023 and 2024 reaching 87% of GDP per capita has plunged into $161, among the lowest worldwide, dropping to just 66.4% of its 2005 peak. Now, the inflation enclave soared to 238%, while unemployment reached to 80%, which is huge thing. Gaza has effectively returned to economic conditions of 20 years ago. So it has gone past 20 years and wiping out decades of development gains. Poverty rates, unemployment and food insecurity have reached unprecedented levels. Per capita income sharply declined, with economic output falling from 0.76% in 2023 to 0.65%, the lowest in nearly 25 years. Gaza's inflation rate fell due to economic inactivity, not due to stability. Critical infrastructure like schools, hospitals, homes, water systems and power networks have been destroyed. The report highlights that the West Bank economy also contracted, though less severely due to mobility restrictions, closures and trade disruptions. Now let us understand why this happened. See, continuous blockade and movement was there, restrictions were there. War since October 2023, they were in war, and which caused widespread destruction, loss of productive sectors, especially agriculture, manufacturing and services, collapse of international trade, revenue systems and labor markets. So overall, message is that UNCTAD warns that Gaza requires massive reconstruction efforts, financial assistance and international support. So let us understand why it is relevant for UPSC. It is very important for GS paper 2, which is international relations, because it highlights the impact of prolonged conflict on economic stability. Then it is again very important for GS paper 3, which is economy and development case. It is a case study on how war affects GDP, poverty, employment, inflation and human development as well, and demonstrate how blockades and mobility restrictions impact trade and economic growth. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.